How to edit text in an image in Canva. Hey everybody! If you want to do so, in today's video, we'll guide you step by step so you can do it easily, even if the text is a part of the image itself. So let's get started. We can go to Canva for that, go over and search for Canva, canva.com, and sign in if you're not signed in, or log in into your account. And what we can do is we can click on the option for create in the top left and select the option of create a design. We can just go over and look out for custom size optional, or just use any of the template. For now, let's use this one right here. And we can start by going to upload section on our left hand side, click on upload, and then we can upload our media. So we can select our image, for example this image right here, and you can expand it. You can drop it down on your canvas, and you can just go and expand it if you would like to do so. For now, I'm just going to use it like this. And after you have resized it like this, and for example the text is like this in this image. Now if you want to go ahead and remove or cover the original text if it's part of the image, what we can do is we have two options. So we can either use the option for elements, shapes, or square and rectangle, and place it over the existing text. So for that, on our left hand side, we can look out for elements option and look out for shape option here, and there we can look out for different shape available, a square, rectangle, etc. For example, let's use this one right here and place it at the top right above the text and make it into the size of the text like this, and place it and match the shape or color according to the background, and now the original text is hidden. We can follow that method, or we can use background remover as well sometimes, which is a pro version. So we can click on the image. For now, I'm just gonna remove it, and we can click on the image that has text, and we can look out for background remover option in the top, and we can use this feature available right here, and we can just go and remove the background behind the text. Works best with the simple images, and then you can add up a new text again on that particular text image. You can just go and do so. And we can, in order to add up a new text, what we can do is we can look out for the text option on our left hand side, and there we can start by adding up a heading or a subheading, body text, etc. So you can just go over and add up a heading. So you can just go over and do so, and you can customize your font. You can look out for color, what color you would like to make the text, and change it up. We can make it bold, italic, etc. and match the alignment, make the alignment to match your image style. And once you're okay with everything, you can just head over and look out for the share option in the top and download it and choose your format, and that should work out for you. That's it everybody. You can just go over and follow out this method. Using a Canva's background remover makes it very easier to cleanly replace it, but it's a pro feature. Otherwise, using shapes to cover the text works well. So that's it everybody. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.